Flax seeds are made up of 29% carbs, a whopping 95% of which is fiber. 2 tablespoons or 20 grams of flax seeds provide about 6 grams of fiber. This is roughly 15 to 25% of the reference daily intake or RDI for men and women. When mixed with water, the mucilage gums in flax seeds become very thick. Combined with the insoluble fiber content, this makes flax seeds a natural laxative. Consuming flax seeds can help promote regularity, prevent constipation, and reduce your risk of diabetes. Flax, also known as common flax or linseed, is a flowering plant, Linum usitatissimum, in the family Linaceae. It is cultivated as a food and fiber crop in regions of the world with temperate climates. Textiles made from flax are known in Western countries as linen and are traditionally used for bed sheets, underclothes, and table linen. Its oil is known as linseed oil. In addition to referring to the plant, the word flax may refer to the unspun fibers of the flax plant. Although no one food or supplement can prevent cancer, some research indicates flax seeds may reduce the risk or spread of certain cancers. For instance, flax seeds with high fiber content can lower the chances of developing colorectal cancer. The most studied cancer in relation to flax seed consumption is breast cancer. Flax seeds contain 42% fat, with 1 tablespoon or 10 grams providing 4.3 grams. Flax seeds are one of the richest dietary sources of ALA. In fact, they're only exceeded by chia seeds. ALA is an essential fatty acid, which means that your body cannot produce it. Thus, you need to obtain it from the food you eat. Flaxseed oil contains the highest amount of ALA, followed by milled seeds. Eating the seeds whole provides the least amount of ALA, as the oil is locked up inside the fibrous structure of the seed. In addition to their beneficial fats and fiber, flax seeds are rich in health-protective antioxidants called polyphenols. Polyphenols act like bodyguards for our cells, protecting them from damage that could eventually lead to cancer, aging, and chronic diseases, including heart disease. Simple ways to eat flax seeds include: sprinkled on oatmeal or overnight oats, mixed into yogurt, added to pancake batter, used as a garnish for snacks like smoothies, fresh fruit, and avocado toast, folded into nut butter along with oats to make energy balls, baked into cookies, muffins, brownies, and banana bread. Like other sources of fiber, flaxseed should be taken with plenty of water or other fluids. Flaxseed shouldn't be taken at the same time as oral medications. As always, talk with your doctor before trying any dietary supplements. Thank you for watching, hopefully useful.